All right, Kathy wants to have the fun of mowing the lawn. I think I still need some starting fluid. Spray it up. All right, when I spray this in there, turn that key till it starts. All right.
This grass is. This is really thick. Well, it is the first cutting of the year. I like it. Oh. This is the grass that we planted last year when we put the shed in. We were afraid it wasn't going to come up, but it came up. Rick wants to get on the tractor. Like a carpet. I can't believe how much this grass grew this year.
Saved some for me, did you?
I did. I said.
Pretty heavy. That's great for a free lawnmower, right?
Oh yeah, this is great. It's fun. I can't wait to take it out on the straightaway.
I'll follow you with the e-bikes.
Hey, thanks for the ride.
Yeah. You got another John Deere video on here, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
More to come. We're gonna race. We got 2 of them. Remember? Look.
Between the e-bikes and the lawnmowers, we're having a lot of fun with the vehicles. Check Rick's channel. He has loads of John Deere.
About 80 or 85 videos. It's fun. You love it. Talk to you soon.
All right.
Fun.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.